our traveling figure eights. See you inside. All right, we're going to learn how to travel with our figure eights, but it's really focusing on one loop at a time. So let's start on the spot and then we'll travel. You're going to start with your right. I want you to just focus on sliding that hip out and bring it up and bring it in. So just the right side. So this is without having the feet coming off the floor. So your heel remains footed or on the floor. It's not lifting. Okay, keep the heels on the ground. And you're going to go bring it out and in, and now switch left. So you want to drop the hip a bit and then slide and bring it out and in, out and in. Again, right? Slide, bring it in, using the oblique muscles, and now switch left. Down, slide, bring it in, down, slide, bring it in. Now, the variation will be lifting the heel off the floor. So that was just the heel on the ground, but when you're traveling, you're going to have to bring that heel off the floor. So I want you to kind of bring the hip drop, prepare, and the weight should be all on that right foot. And now you're going to slide, and as you bring that hip up, I want you to press the ball of your foot against the floor, the right foot, and bring that heel up and push that hip up, and you notice that foot's going to kind of come out a little bit. And then bring it in. Let's repeat that. You're going to put all the weight on that right foot. You're going to kind of drop, sink into it, and then slide that hip out. And then press the ball of your right foot against the floor, pressing down, and bring that heel up and push that hip up, as this is going to actually push the other foot out to the side and in. Now going slow like this, and the mechanics of it really does work those muscles. So you're going to feel this in your right leg. Now let's just do the left side, do the same thing. So you're going to start your figure eight on the left. You're going to soften the knee, put more of the weight on that left foot. There's no weight on the right. Kind of flex, bend, and then slide that hip out to the side. Press the ball of your foot against the floor and press the heel up. So the pressing is actually bringing that heel up. You're not pressing the heel. So you're pressing the ball of your foot as you bring that heel up. And the hip goes up. And then now all the weight is on the right foot. Hip is up. Bring that back into the center. Bring it together. And then you repeat. All the weight goes on the left foot. Press against the ball of the heel, the ball of the foot. Bring the heel up. Hip is up. And then it helps to kind of push that foot out to the side. You're going to bring it in again. Do that side again. So it's going to be your left side. All the weight on the left foot. So I want you to feel this in your body. Where's my weight? All my weight is on the left foot. Okay. I'm going to start my loop. I'm going to soften my knee. I'm going to slide that hip out. Okay. I'm going to slide that left. Okay, I'm getting ready to bring that heel off the floor by pressing the ball of the foot against the floor and pushing that leg out. And this pressing up, pressing down to bring the heel up and the hip up. The other leg goes out because of balance, because it kind of brings you up, but because you bring the heel up, it wants to kind of tip you over, and this is going to kind of hold your balance and then release. All right, lots of mechanics here. So let's do that one more time. We're going to go right, then left, and then we're going to start traveling a little bit more fluid and a little bit faster. So my weight is on my right foot. I'm sliding my hip out, getting into that loop, sliding, pressing the ball of the foot against the floor, bring the heel up, Hip goes up and pushes the leg out for balance, and bring it in. Repeat. Put the weight on the right foot, slide, press it against the ball of your foot, against the floor, bring it up, heel off the floor, up, and pushes the foot outward and in. Let's do the left side. All the weight on the left foot. Slide that hip out, getting ready for the loop. And press the ball of your foot against the floor. Heel goes up. This comes out for balance. Repeat. All right, let's bring it together. And right side. And a 1. Bring it in. And a 2. Bring it in. Switch. Up and over. Press down. Slide up and over. Bring it in. Left side. Slide out. Up and over. Bring it in. Slide up. Up and over. Bring it in. One more time. Slide up. Up and over. Bring it in. Slide up. And right. Left. Right. One more time, left. Good. Practice that with music. And I'll see you in the next video. And I'm feeling my calves. You probably do too. When you're going slow, it's really hard. But again, it helps you to build those muscles, and then it brings it into this nice fluid movement. And again, this traveling figure 8 is a very fluid movement, very soft, very feminine, very luscious. All right. Love you guys.